Welcome to WEIR Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of February 27th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is Dr. Seuss. Dr. Seuss's 1, 2, 3 by Dr. Seuss. 1. 1, 1. It all starts with 1. One cat on a ball having fun. 2. 2, 2. Next comes 2. 2 orange antlers on a foo-foo that's new. 3. 3, 3. Count to 3. 3 birds sitting in a puffy pink tree. 4. 4, 4. Can you spot 4? 4 friends walking to a big pink door. 5. 5, 5. Do you see 5? 5 funny fish are out on a drive. 6. Look up and down, look side to side. Can you count 6 mouths open wide? 7. This man here is Mr. Gump. Mr. Gump has a 7-hump wump. 8. Now it's time to count to 8. 8 weary elephants in a tree of great weight. 9. 9 sad turtles, each on another's back, piled up together in a 9-turtle stack. 10. Count 10 birds. That's what you should do. Count 10 birds in yellow and blue. 11. Look at his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yikes! He has 11. 12. Can you count 12 curious crandalls? They sleepwalk on hills with assorted sized candles. 13. Count 13 trapezers of the Zuma Zoop troupe. They grab onto each other as they zoop and they swoop. 14. Old Mr. Sneelock on his roller skate skis slides past 14 pots full of sticklebush trees. 15. Count them, count them all. 15 cats sleeping on his ziggy-zaggy wall. 16. Can you count 16 of the brothers Bazoo? They are known far and wide for the way their hair grew. 17. And speaking of counting, you should be quite gladish that you're not this farmer's 17th radish. 18. Count 18 jagoons from far desert dunes who like to croon tunes about pebbles and prunes. 19. Over the water and into the sky, can you count 19 bloogs blowing by? 20. Start at the bottom, work up to the top, count 20 fuddle nutters, and now you can stop. The end. We're going to do a Dr. Seuss counting map based on the book. And your counting map looks like this. It's nice and big. And then you have clips of the first 5 creatures in there, in the story. So what we're going to do, we need crayons if we want to color the numbers, and we need a glue stick. So first what I'm going to do is match up my pictures to the numbers. So I'm looking for something with 1. If we recall, a cat on a ball, 1. So we'll just glue that guy on there. That's done. Now we're looking for 2. And if you remember in the story, this guy has 1, 2 orange horns. So we'll put the glue on the back of that and glue it to the map. Now we're looking for 3. In the story, there were 3 birds on a tree. 1, 2, 3. So we'll just glue that in place. Now what do we have for 4? We had these 4 friends, I think they were. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll put them on there. Now the next one is number 5. Can you see 5? So we're looking for the 5 cars going on a drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Glue that one in place. And then you have the 6 yawns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A little bit of glue will do you there. And 6. So now we have all the numbers matched up. We have 1 cat, 2 horns, 3 birds, 4 friends, 5 cars, and 6 yawns. Now if you want to, once you're done gluing everything on, you can go ahead and color in the numbers, which I'm going to do with crayons. So we have a 1, we have a 2, we have a 3, we have our 4, our number 5, and then finally our number 6. And that's all there is to it. There's your counting map.